Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Company form of organization is one of the ingenious creations of human mind which has enabled the business to carry on its wealth creation activities through optimum utilization of resources. It represents different kind of associations in terms of construction, business and legal implications. The word company derived from Latin word com means with or together and panis means bread. In law, it refers to a company formed and registered under the Companies Act 1956 or some earlier similar acts. A company may be an incorporated or a corporation or an unincorporated company. An incorporated company is an artificial person, whereas an unincorporated company is a group of persons like partnership. In legal term, a company means a company formed and registered under Companies Act 1956 or any Companies Act enacted prior to that. Characteristics of a company. The following are some of the special attributes of a company in terms of financial and accounting matters. Separate legal entity. A company is regarded as an entire entity separate from its member and has an independent corporate existence. For example, Gupta and Company is an entirely different person from Mr. Gupta, even if he holds practically all the shares in the company. The company's property is not the property of Mr. Gupta. Limited liability. In a company limited by share or limited by guarantee, the liability of member is limited. For example, if face value of a share in a company is rupees 10 and a shareholder paid rupees 5 per share, he can be called to pay not exceeding rupees 5 per share during the lifetime of the company, as his liability is limited by share. Perpetual succession. Perpetual succession denotes the ability of a company to maintain its existence by constant succession of new individuals who step into the shoes of those who cease to be members of the company. The death or insolvency of any shareholder or even all of them does not affect the life of a company. For example, if all the members of a private company die in an accident, the company still remains alive. A company, an abstract and artificial person, does not die natural death. Existence of a company is terminated by winding up or through reconstruction, amalgamation, etc. Transferability of shares. The capital of a company is divided into shares. These shares, subject to certain conditions, are freely transferable. A member can realize the invested money by selling his shares in the market. The stock market provides adequate facilities to purchase and sale of shares. Periodic audit. The accounts of a company get periodically audited through chartered accountants appointed by the shareholders on the recommendation of Board of Directors. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.